Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. Today, we're finally back on the BMW M2. It feels like we've been working on the S4 for what, 5-6 videos in a row, but finally we got something for the BMW M2, and it's one of the last components that we need for the engine, and that is the intake.
Ooh, what's this red box here?
Yeah, we got the engine intake. Big shout out to my buddy Alan for hooking us up. He's got a dealer connect and he got us a discount on it, but yeah, I'm really excited to install this. I talked to the engine reps and they said that it's supposed to give me a lot of power on the M2. Okay. I don't know if I necessarily believe that. It's mostly for the sound. Right. But yeah, let's just go ahead and start this bad boy because I wanna get this done and over with because I want to hear how it sounds. Yeah, let's go.
So my intake, and the S4 is right there, was really loud once I did it. I was actually surprised at the noise that came off it. You think this is gonna do the same?
Yeah, I honestly think this might be louder actually. Because,
no way.
Yeah, because yours is a closed box, isn't it?
It's closed, but it's open on the side.
Mine's
so it's like a half
open.
half.
Mine's completely open. So I think it's actually gonna be a lot louder.
I'm really curious because this, you don't hear anything right now.
So pretty simple install. We already took this off once when we were installing, I believe, the charge pipe or something along those lines. So we're gonna have to just take this off. Take this off right here, nice little C-clamp.
I think this comes off also.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take off this. This looks pretty straightforward. This guy, and just pop it out of the, what are those things called? The grommets?
The grommets, yes.
Okay, so we got the brace off. We're gonna put that in the grass for now. Why not? And I guess the next thing we'll start on is this right here. So we just need a regular flathead for that. And that's for the C-clamp, just to loosen that a little bit.
Very easy.
Almost too easy.
I know.
It's almost like we installed this wrong or something. Okay, so that's loose enough to take off. This one I remember being a little finicky.
I think you just pull up. You like pull to the side.
I think was it a push or a pull?
Yeah, it was like push and pull up. Like push up, then pull out. Yeah, that's it.
Oh wow, that's very simple. Okay, so that one's out. This one was tough, I remember. Thumb and index finger on the grooves here, and then just wiggle while you're squeezing and it pops off.
Perfect.
So we have that down a lot better than before. And actually, it's good we're taking this off because I remember we did this wrong right here for the charge pipe.
Oh yeah?
This vacuum line has to go under this wire.
Oh, I see.
So we might as well fix that while we're at it.
Yeah, I might as well.
Once this comes out. All right, so now we just need to unscrew this.
Just to confirm, that was a T20, right?
Yep, T20. Gonna unscrew these two, put the bolts over here. These are not on too tight, so fairly easy to remove.
Want to drop that one?
Yeah, that would suck. Okay, cool. Perfect. So that just goes out like that. That's out. And the grommet. All right.
Sweet.
Stock box removed.
Factory.
Yeah, that was like a 10-minute removal less.
Yeah, this is super. Compared to doing suspension mods, this is like baby steps.
This is a joke. I don't even know which color it is actually. I'm not sure if it's the black or the silver.
It's a red box, so I guess,
no,
would it be red?
No? All red, they're all red.
Okay, okay, I got excited.
It's either silver or black. I would prefer the black, but I wouldn't be bothered with the silver. The silver also looks pretty good, so.
Oh, beautiful color.
Wait.
It's black, it's gotta be black.
Where is it? It's black. Yes, it's black. It's black. All right, nice. So that's gonna match very nicely with everything. In the car, like it looks OEM, to be honest.
Yeah, that's exactly the point. Yeah.
That's why I like it being black like that. Yeah, it's an open box system. Here's
it's blue.
Here's the air filter.
Hey, that matches your brake calipers.
It does actually. It does. Let's pull this out from this side over here.
Ooh.
Very nice, very nice.
What a different. Dude, what the heck is this here?
So Cyborg air intake system, 50 state emission legal.
Dude, we don't need that, we're in Canada.
No, I don't know how that applies here, but I think we're good.
So we have the heat shield in the vehicle. This vinyl we installed above. There's a vinyl that goes inside this ring here. There is some hardware that goes right in here. There is hardware that goes right here, if you can see that. And finally, there is a screw here that has to be unscrewed. And then you put this in, so basically this is snug as a bug.
Yeah, it's very sturdy. This is not going anywhere. So we just gotta put this in here, and then we're gonna feed this through here, and we're also going to put a nut onto the screw point that you just mentioned. This is like for anti-vibrations, I guess, or something along those lines.
It looks like it. It's rubber.
So
Might
let's
as
just go
well.
ahead and just slam this in here.
Just make sure this guy goes to the bottom first and then
Yeah.
angle it in.
So this is gonna have to be a weird little, yeah, not a lot of room to work here. Oh yeah, just gonna have to push it through kinda.
Coming in. A little
Yep.
bit more. Oh yeah, that's through.
Yeah, there we go. And that's on there now. Oh, perfect. Look at that. It kind of just all lines up.
Brian Earl Spillner, you tighten that, right?
Yeah, so this is on real tight. This isn't going anywhere. It almost looks like it's not fully on. You see this? Because it kind of narrows down over here.
Right.
But we measured it and it's hitting this point here and it can't go any further. And so now we have that little bracket piece on. We got to put a washer and a nut on it. All right, last step, we got to apply the filter cone, put it on the end of the tube here. And we have ourselves another C-clamp. Should probably put this down actually, and this. I don't know why I have so many things in my hand. Doesn't really make much sense.
Here's the thing, you might have wanted to put this one on before.
No, that would be smart. That would be quite smart. All right, now we're good. Now we're good. Now we're good. All right.
I'm
Take
watching,
two.
I'm like, wait a second. Just checking in, how we doing?
We are basically done, just tightening this up. And the C-clamp looks nice. Yeah, I think this is good. Just a couple more spins and that's more tight than it's going to need to be. And yeah, we're good. Let's go ahead and put those last few things on. Close the hood.
Going for a drive.
And go for a drive, exactly.
There we go. All right, we're losing daylight, so let's see this thing and let's hear it. Okay, nothing different so far. There's not as much blow off though. It doesn't go what? All right, we gotta go for a ride.
We got the intake and the exhaust. Oh.
Yeah, we gotta go for a ride, don't we? Wow.
Oh, the burbles though.
Way different than my car. I love that boost build.
Yeah. It's
The
nice.
whoosh.
So you hear the turbo a lot more now.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh, you heard that?
Yeah.
Yo, it sounds like a Super or something, right?
Yes,
It does. It does.
Yeah, definitely not. Ooh.
Yeah, it sounds like a little
sounds
Supra.
amazing.
That sounds amazing.
2JZ.
What it really does. It sounds like that. Holy.
That's so
Bring
funny.
it closer to the wall.
Okay. It changes the note. It's so cool because there's always something different.
Oh, it's only sport mode. Oh my god, wait, hold on. It's
Not even Sport Plus?
no.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's beautiful.
It's got everything.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're dancing, baby.
I love how you just hear the boost building up.
Yeah,
way
exactly.
more, which is just like so awesome because before I started hearing that with the Sport Cat, you could hear the boost building up a little, but now it's like exaggerated.
Right.
You know what I mean? So it feels like you're going faster. It might not have added horsepower, but it feels like
No,
it
come
added-
on. It's like 100 easy.
It feels like yeah. I mean, we're getting squirrely. You never know.
We're gonna re-dyno. It's gonna be like 900 horsepower. It sounds so good. I honestly can't convey how good it is to the audience. It's like everybody who watches the video just needs to sit in the passenger. Oh, that was so good. Yep, we're getting tire squirrel.
Oh man, not for much longer though.
No.
Not for much longer because announcement time. The
Okay.
wheels are officially landing next week.
And the tire's ready in the garage, ready to go.
Exactly. So
Sweet.
the wheels have shipped out.
You
I
are
can
good.
confirm. I honestly tuned it perfectly
Yeah.
with boom mode, like to do the quick da-da-da-da.
Yeah.
That's it, you know what I mean?
Scaring a few neighbors, but it's all good.
Yeah, it doesn't just keep going on and on and on. It's just like quick da-da-da. That's it.
So the car's pretty much done.
It's basically done. Other than wheels and another big surprise that we have coming in.
Exciting.
Everything on the engine front though is done. No more engine mods, nothing else. We are done.
Good to hear. My hands are pretty beat up.
And I'm quite happy because I think it sounds like it's like a 9.5 out of 10, man.
I think so, yeah.
It sounds pretty damn good.
It sounds like something going through a steel tube.
Yeah.
Right? Right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
It's like, whoosh.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean.
It sounds like a knife fight a little bit, right?
Oh,
like
yeah,
two
I know
guys.
what you mean. Let's see if we can get something here. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, it sounds kind of like two guys fencing. It's like, shh. So I think this car is done, and
Yep.
this is probably where we're gonna end this video here, right?
Yes, we're gonna be ending it here, guys. Pretty solid product. Happy with it overall.
Yeah.
Simple install, even though it took a little bit longer than your carbon fiber intake.
Oh my goodness.
Because we had to just mount it a couple places.
Yes,
But still,
yes.
still pretty good.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more M2 mods. Because next week we're gonna have a couple of those coming live on the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Take care.